Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to evaluate the seventh power of this irrational expression. But before we proceed, we need to simplify this a little bit. First of all, take note that the square root of 39 equals the square root of 3 times 13, which equals square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 13. And from here, square root of 12 equals square root of 3 times 4, which is equal to square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 4, which is 2. Right? So from the numerator, we can factor out root 3. Right? So here we have root 3 into brackets. So that is going to be 1 plus root of 13. Right? Then divided by here root of 3 plus 2. Remember, to the seventh power. Therefore, this is going to be equal to this. We cancel this. Then we have 1 plus root of 13 divided by 2. Then to the seventh power. Okay, from here, we're going to start with a substitution. So we're going to let x equals this, which is in the bracket, 1 plus root of 13 divided by 2. Now, our task is to find the seventh power of x. Right? Okay. Now, let's begin the game. From here, let's cross multiply. We get 2x equals 1 plus root 13, but we can actually subtract 1 along. Then we get square root of 13. From here, square both sides. Now, from the left here, that is going to be 4x squared plus 1 minus 4x. Right? Then this equals, square and the root cancel, so we have 13. So from here, we get 4x squared equals 13. Now, these two terms are crossing over, so their signs will change. So this will become 13, sign of 1 here, which is positive, will change to minus 1. Then this one change to plus 4x, which equals 12 plus 4x. Now, divide both sides by 4, we come up with that x squared equals 3 plus x. And what is x? X equals 1 plus root 13 over 2. So we're going to substitute that so to simplify more. So we have this. So we can split that denominator, becomes 1 over 2 plus root of 13 over 2. And from here, this simplifies to 7 over 2 plus root of 13 over 2. Amazing. Okay, so what do we do next? Remember, we are looking for the seventh power of x, right? Okay, what if you square both sides? That may not be the best way, right? So now let's find the third power of x. So by multiplying both sides by x, so we get x multiplied by x squared, which is x cubed. This is going to be 7 over 2 times x plus root 13 all over 2 times x. And what is x? 1 over 2 plus root 13 over 2. So we have 7 over 2 into brackets 1 all over 2 plus root of 13 over 2 plus this bracket plus root 13 all over 2 into bracket 1 all over 2 plus root of 13 over 2. From here we get x cubed equals here, that will be 7 over 4 plus 7 root of 13 over 4 plus root of 13 over 4 plus, root of 13 times root of 13 is root of 169, which is 13. So get 13 over 4. Simplifying. What do we get? So we're going to have 5 plus 2 root 13. So 5 plus 2 root of 13. Amazing. So from here, what do we do next? So instead of multiplying both sides by x, so let's just quickly square both sides to arrive at the sixth power, right? So, that is x cubed. Then we square both sides. 5 plus root of 13 squared. So from here, with the power rule in algebra, so this is going 3 times 2 here, which is 6. Then this equals here. We're going to make use of this. A plus b squared equals the first term squared plus the second term squared plus 2 times their product. First term squared here is 5 squared, which is 25. Second term squared, 2 squared is 4. Root 13 squared is 13. 4 times 13 will give us 52. Plus 2 times their product. Their product is 10 root 13. Then 2 times it will give us 20 root of 13. And this simplifies to 7 plus 20 root of 13. You can see we just quickly arrive at the 6th power, right? So how do we get the 7th power, which is our tax? So let's go ahead and multiply both sides by x. So when we do that, we get here x to the power of 7 equals here 77 times x. Remember, x equals 1 over 2 plus root of 13 over 2. Then plus 20 root of 13 into bracket 1 over 2 plus root of 13 over 2. So from here, x to the power of 7 equals here, this becomes 77 all over 2 plus here 77 root of 13 over 2, then plus 20 root of 13 over 2, then plus 20, root 13 times root 13 is 13, then 30 times 13 times 20, actually that will give us 260. Then we're going to have all over 2. So thank God we have that is the same denominators, so we can sum up the numerators. So here 77 plus 260, that will give us 337 over 2. Then plus 77 root 13 plus this, that will give us 97 root of 13. Amazing. And from here, we can actually make it a single denominator, arriving at 337 plus 97 root of 13 all over 2. And therefore, we come up with a solution that root of 3, plus root of 13 divided by root of 12 to the 7th power equals 337 plus 97 root of 13 divided by 2. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.